Hey loyals, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today's video we have a Zara unboxing for you guys. Yeah, just things we picked up for styling to show, and we thought that we'd show you guys, yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this.
I'm just losing this
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
So this is our box for this video. Yeah. Just scissors. Just scissors.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. Wish I should have gone your scissors before you sat down.
No, this must be my purple one.
Do you want to use that? Oh, you'll be good. You're good.
I think I'm alright. I think I can do it. Alright.
Alright.
That's for buying.
We will bow.
Not too late.
It's a bowing thing. Alright.
Right. So, first item in this box today. Oh, there's actually clothes in here as well, you know. Interesting. So, first box in the box. Third box in the box. Third box in the box. Dun, dun, dun.
Show it, please.
Yeah. Oh, the box.
Oh, you did show it, okay. It must be the meals, isn't it?
Dun, dun, dun. Hey.
Wow. Strepsil.
We have these beautiful meals.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that is a loud color.
Yeah.
It looked very
Muted.
Let me see. Yeah, it looked muted.
So, obviously, you guys know Bottega be doing their thing, and so Zara be doing their thing too. And so we have these mules. Are they leather? Apparently, I see this a lot in videos.
Yeah, this is leather, and this is £55.
£55 retails, guys. New-in. So,
Well, as compared to Bottega. Bottega is like what? 1,600, 1,800, £2,000, depending on the style.
yeah, student finance wear. So yeah, here you have £55 for this pair of mules. Now, I know a lot of girls, especially my age, who go to like Shein and that to get shoes, which I guess is fine. But for me, durability is a thing. So in as much as I'm like, oh, Zara's like this, Zara's like that, I think it's more of a lasting effect that it has. Shein and stuff, I don't know, you'll probably buy a lot of Sheins in a year. Whereas with Zara is like, it's sturdy and will last you longer. So yeah, that's how I catch it.
I think the shape too is classic.
Beautiful.
The heel is classic.
Beautiful.
I can even wear this.
Beautiful. You get it.
I can be borrowing small.
Yeah.
Since we are the same size.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing is the color, really nice pink color that I think even in summers to come, you will find useful. So yeah, I like the padded band or the padded strap that goes across. It's really nice. Yeah, really good shoe. Small heel height, which really works.
Maybe show it from the side.
If you guys are concerned about the £55, to be honest, and you feel like this season, the best thing to do is buy these things obviously in autumn and stuff like that. For the following year, if you feel like, then you get them on sale. For this season, they do have things like clear pay and that. I personally wouldn't recommend those things.
They have what? What do you mean?
Like where you can pay in installments if you feel like, well, 55 at once, you're not going to be able to cough out.
Zara?
They don't.
No.
Oh, sorry guys. False advertisement.
No.
But yeah, no. I would say that you'd have to get them in the season before summer or whatever. I mean, autumn.
I would say, see, let the guru talk. I would say, if they're still on, I don't think they even have these ones in store. I didn't see them in store.
Right.
The same thing we're talking about Primark. There are certain things that are on Zara's website that are not in the store, and I think sometimes they're a little bit expensive ones. They don't put it in the stores. It's online. So I would say just keep an eye on it. if it's there after summer, it's going to come down to half price. Then you pick it up then. I do that a lot.
And then you can wear it the following year. We'll even wear it if on a warm day, whenever it heats up. So yeah. Size 6 we got these in. But yeah, really nice pair of...
Yeah, I'm going to do a try on. Oh, yeah.
Next one is this green pair. So the same shoes, but they look smaller, but they're the same size. But in a green. This green is like the actual bog standard.
Nita, can I say something? With shoes like this, sometimes Zara doesn't get it right, because I bought a few mules from Zara and I thought I'm a 6 and I picked up a 6 and I had to go up a size. And sometimes too, I've had to go down a size. So it's very important that you try them when you pick it up and make sure that, you know, it fits.
Yeah. So, yeah, exactly the same, just a different colour. If you weren't feeling the pink, they do have a green. Or if you've seen the Bottega ones and you looked at it and you thought that's what you want, Zara do have a very, very good dupe if you don't want to pay that price. So that is these pair of mules. Next in this box, there's another pair of shoes, but this one comes in a...
Oh, that's what they put the other
They put
one
it,
in.
I don't know if they waited. Like, I don't know. Because we were waiting for
dodgy.
this order. Really? Will?
Because there were separate orders.
Yeah. But that's what I'm saying. We were waiting for the first order for a while. And the second pair, which was this, was meant to come to, like, during this week. And now we've seen that they've all come together. I don't know.
Okay.
If they sussed
that's
it.
fine. That's fine.
But yeah.
I mean, it's worked out because we get to show.
Yeah, because we're wondering how we're going to show you guys this, but now.
This one is Bottega straight up.
Really?
Straight up Bottega.
This one is a different sort of green, lime green, sorry, I'd say. And you have the sort of thong flip-flop thing going on instead of the band. A little bit of a slim ankle buckle, which also is nice. And the heel on this is actually wider, or like asymmetrical.
This the Amina Muwadi. You said when I say that, I come up with an American accent.
Amawadi.
It's Amina Muwadi, yeah.
Yeah. So that asymmetrical heel thing is done by here. So it's like a merge of the two. Or do Bottega do the same thing?
No, for the heel. The top is Bottega. The bottom, the heel is
Zara cheeky. So yeah, different style, different vibe. But yeah, this one definitely great for summer. Based on its colour. And
that's leather as well. That one was also a bit expensive for just a thong sandal.
$49.99.
I mean, Zara.
Yeah, there's those. But again, you said that they're leather, real leather shoes. So I can't get them. I can't get it. So yeah, those were the mules. Next in this box was this t-shirt. I kind of wanted some t-shirts for this summer because vests for me can sometimes be tricky. So t-shirts just make things a little bit simpler. Nice cropped. Is this cropped? Yeah, cropped blue, cauliflower blue t-shirt, which I really think is a vibe. This was £6 from Zara. So yeah, plain simple. Jordan said.
But I was also thinking that we probably could have looked in Primark and we probably would have found these t-shirts.
Oh yeah, we were thinking about it when we left. We were like, we could have gotten, because I was looking for t-shirts and racer tops, just like some cropped ones to wear out. And Zara were doing the most, but we forgot that we could have actually had a look in Primark. Seeing as they've even upped their quality and stuff, I would have liked to have a look, but I forgot. So I might and see what they have.
And I think if people are looking for these racer tops and crop tops, try Primark and see a good one, like the ones we mentioned in our Primark video. If you haven't seen that video,
go check it out, kids. Yeah. So yeah, Next thing I got from Zara. So those items were all sort of online, and then we got some in store. Are these paper bag grey shorts, and you probably see me wearing them in one of the videos, but I just love the style of the shorts. They're not too skimpy and short, and they're not too long that I look like an auntie as well, trying to look cool. So the paper bag really works for me personally. Colour is very much different, washed out grey, not many people would go for, so you know that you automatically look different when you style your clothing. Back pockets, front pockets, it has a zip, high-waisted, belt to cinch you in, all of that jazz.
How much was it?
This was $19.99.
Let me see the label.
That's if it's in here. I don't think it's in here,
Dun, dun, dun. In the pocket. Do you want to try the pocket?
Oh yeah, I put it in the pocket. So yeah, $19.99, kids. There you are. Size 38,
the code,
which is size 38, which is a 10. Anyone who's wondering. So yeah, these shorts, really happy with that one. Really happy with that one. Next, like I told you, I wanted to get some tops for summer. I'm trying to see if the right one's here. Yeah. So in store, they had these racer tops that are slightly cropped, which I think look really nice for £5.
You have 3 of them. You got 3 of them. Remember?
Is this the same thing? Oh yeah, it is. This one is also £5. Got it in black, white, and a sort of like magenta sort of colour, which I think will prove useful during the summer, especially on the very, very hot days where it's just like you don't want to take off your skin. You can wear things like this to help. I got the black and white in large, and then I got the magenta in a medium. That's kind of what was that, so hopefully it fits well. Yeah. Next top, which is slightly different, I got in a pink color. Here's this vest top. It's not really racer like that, it's just a normal vest. Has a cute little pocket and ribbed. Oh yeah, the others were ribbed as well. The back is a bit more racery.
Which I don't think they see the full thing.
The full top.
Yeah. Yeah, no they do.
So yeah, that was it. I got this one in a size small. This one looks quite big for a small, so.
Bring the label to the screen.
Yeah.
Because I was saying that.
And it was $9.99.
Nowadays, instead of sometimes even linking it, when you have the code, you can just scan it, and then especially if you have the Zara app, and then it will come
or
up.
if you can't scan it, you can type it manually.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is this pink top. Next, so in a previous video, we did a lot of coloured summer dresses, and we found the lilac version of 2 of them we showed you in that video. I think it looks really nice, really pretty. Shape and cut is everything for me, to be honest. It's really nice. It's not like tightly fitted, but it sort of glides along the body really nicely.
The A-line cut, isn't it?
Yeah. Square neck, and the vest just really works really nice for summer. Size medium, we got this in, and that one was also $19.99. You guys there? So yeah, this is, for anyone's wondering, it's like just above the knee in terms of length. Another top that I got was this sort of marigold vest racery crop top. A nice bright colour again for summer. Really works on dark skin, so which is why I was happy to get it. Medium, and this one was £7. This one is not like the rest in that those are ribbed.
Yes, these were today in Primark. They'll probably be £2, £2.50,
yeah.
and £3.50.
So yeah, have a look there first, and then if you don't see the colours you want or the style you want, then you can have a look in Zara. But you're happy with that colour. Now lastly for this haul is this floral green dress. First of all, I like this green colour. It's like a pastel mint colour, which I really like. It is a halter neck dress, so you have the neck here that's a bit ruched with the tie and some tassels, and then you have a longish sort of maxi midi skirt.
It goes on your height, isn't it?
Yeah, and a tear right at the bottom. Yeah, love the Dixie floor print. Yeah, just a nice cute summer dress. This was a size medium, $12.99. Was this last year?
Yeah.
So last year summer is when this came out, but again, because of the colour scheme, works for this year. So you can look at any store for something very, very similar. Yeah.
I think it was bought with, you know, the pleated, a knife pleat dress, the yellow one.
Yes.
We had in the other haul.
In our previous video.
The last dress, I think it was.
Yeah. So this is a really, really pretty dress. Yeah. From Zara as well. Hopefully, yeah, I think that's everything. You guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite items and subscribe, like the video, share, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. If it fits,
Feel free and have fun starting it. But I just want to say a big thank you to our viewers, subscribers for our 1K video. Very much appreciated. God bless you.
Thank you guys. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye. Bye, lady. Your body is unnecessary. It's unnecessary.
I'm gonna start now.
You what?
I'm gonna start.
Oh, okay.